Hello, my dear students. Uh, we have completed almost 7 lessons, and now it is the eighth lesson. Cell structure. We have to read about the cell structure and function. Cell. What is cell? What are its structures and what are the functions of the cell and different parts of the cell? Actually, you might have heard about the differences between living and non-living, living and non-living things, living things. No living and non-living things. That means they grow, they respire, uh, they eat food or they have nutrition, nutrition. They respond, they excrete, and all these activities are not present in the non-living things. But these activities or these are known as basic life functions. These are known as basic life functions. These are known as basic life functions. And these basic life functions are performed by the small units present in living organisms. These are cells. These are performed by small units. These are known as cells. Actually, what is the discovery of the cell? It was 1665. Robert Hooke. He observed cork. He observed cork under his microscope. Under his primitive microscope. Primitive microscope means the microscope which he had made himself. At that time, 1665, at that time there was not so development in the science and technology. Robert Hooke, he developed some type of microscope, some type of lenses, and tried to see the cork. What is actually cork? It is the outermost part of the cork actually. What is it, cork? It is the outer covering of trees, outer covering of plants, or you can say trees, plants or trees, which is almost dead. The dead covering of the trees, he removed the cork or the layers from the trees and observed these pieces. This is the, for example, cork piece. He observed the piece in his in his simple microscope, which was simply the arrangement of some lenses. When he put this cork under his microscope, he observed some little, he observed honeycomb-like structure. Honeycomb. You might have seen the honeycomb. In honeycomb, there are the circular spaces like this. For example, this is the honeycomb. There are like these circular spaces in which honey is present, like these. And these spaces in 1665, Robert Hooke, he saw these types of small spaces in that cork, in that piece of plant tissue which was dead. He named these spaces as cells. What is the meaning of cell? Cell means little room. Little room. That means actually he or Robert Brown, he observed the little room-like structures in the tissue and he named them as cells. The cells mean little rooms. So these rooms are actually the dead cells, because the piece or the cork was the dead piece of tissue. These cells or these small little room-like structures, today we call them or we referred them as the basic units of organisms. And these cells, or you can say cells, these cells, they are the basic units or basic structures from which all organisms are made of. And the credit goes to Robert Hooke in 1665 when he observed these little room-like structures under his primitive microscope. And these cells, they form the basic structural and functional units of all living organisms, because all living organisms except viruses are formed of cells. Thank you. Have a nice day.